Looking for cafe-quality coffee at home? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Solo, a stylish, space-saving coffee machine that brews smooth, flavorful coffee with just one touch. Let's explore its features and see why it's perfect for everyday coffee lovers. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Solo, rotative water tank, drip tray and cup support, Nespresso capsules box, Nespresso welcome material, manuals and documentation. Product features. Enjoy your favorite coffee with a single press of a button. The Nespresso Vertuo Pop automatically handles the entire brewing process, making it quick and effortless to prepare consistently delicious coffee without adjusting any settings manually. The Vertuo Pop Solo uses Nespresso's advanced centrifusion technology, which spins the capsule at high speed during brewing. This unique extraction method blends coffee and water evenly, producing rich flavor, balanced aromas, and a thick, velvety crema with every cup. Whether you prefer a bold espresso or a larger mug of coffee, the Vertuo Pop Solo has you covered. It is compatible with a variety of Vertuo capsules and can brew multiple coffee sizes, automatically selecting the ideal brewing parameters for each one. Designed for convenience, the Vertuo Pop Solo features a compact footprint that fits easily on small countertops without sacrificing performance. Its sleek, modern design and vibrant color options make it a stylish addition to any kitchen while providing premium coffee at the touch of a button. Technical specifications. Product overview. How to use. Fill the removable water tank with fresh drinking water and attach it securely to the machine. Plug the Vertuo Pop Solo into a power outlet, then press the button to turn it on. The indicator light will blink while the machine heats up and becomes steady once it is ready to brew. Lift the lever, insert a compatible Nespresso Vertuo capsule, then close and lock the machine. Place a cup or mug under the coffee outlet and press the button once. The machine automatically reads the capsule's barcode and selects the ideal brewing settings to deliver the perfect coffee with rich flavor and a smooth crema. Once brewing is complete, lift the lever to automatically eject the used capsule into the built-in capsule container. Empty the container and drip tray regularly to prevent buildup, and rinse the water tank with fresh water. Wiping the exterior and running the recommended cleaning cycle from time to time will help keep your Vertuo Pop Solo performing at its best. How to pair? Download and install the Nespresso app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Turn on Bluetooth and connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network, then sign in or create a Nespresso account. Turn on the Nespresso Vertuo Pop Solo and open the Nespresso app. Tap Add a Machine and follow the on-screen instructions to put the coffee machine into pairing mode. Select the Vertuo Pop from the list of available devices and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is complete, the app will confirm successful pairing, allowing you to access smart features such as custom cup sizing, temperature adjustment, and maintenance alerts. Safety tips. Use indoors only. Avoid hot surfaces. Use the correct voltage. Handle hot liquids carefully. Unplug before cleaning. Use compatible capsules only. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.